Hey Tech Army, what's up? Welcome back to another amazing episode of Tech Timing. So guys, in this amazing episode, we're going to discuss the 10 keyboard shortcuts in Windows 11 for ultimate productivity. Are you guys excited? Let's get started. So keep up with me to the end, comment right below this video, subscribe if you still haven't, and turn on the post notification for more videos. Top 10 helpful keyboard shortcuts for Windows 11. Number 1, restoring tabs. Control plus Shift plus T. Accidental closure of tabs on internet browsers can happen due to several reasons. In such cases, users can mostly go to their history tab of the browser and restore the tabs. There's a pretty swift alternative in the form of shortcuts mentioned above. This will automatically restore the tabs of the last session without the need to go and search the history section, drastically reducing the number of clicks needed. Number 2, paste as plain text, Control plus Shift plus V. In modern times, users often copy and paste stuff from the internet. These include hyperlinks and other URLs, which can be highlighted as separate text if someone doesn't notice while copy-pasting them. Irrespective of the text materials, the keyboard shortcut automatically converts it into plain text. It also removes the need to select the content separately and then convert it to plain text, which ends up saving a lot of time and effort. Number 3, minimize all windows, Windows plus M. In today's multitasking world, users often have too many windows open simultaneously. Closing them and reopening them can draw up resources and squander valuable time. Minimizing them one by one can waste a lot of time and energy. Users can simply press the Windows and M buttons together to minimize all screens simultaneously. Number 4, kill the process. Control plus Shift plus Escape. PCs can hang up for different reasons and are often caused by a particular process. In such cases, the typical preference of the user is to bring up the task manager and end the process. However, there's a far better alternative in the form of a keyboard shortcut as mentioned above. This doesn't require the need for a task manager and automatically terminates the process that caused the PC to freeze. This process can take some time based on available hardware, but can help the user get out of trouble quite quickly. Number 5, replying to emails. R Control plus R is not the most convenient way to find the reply option when responding to a message contained in the mail. Users can sometimes even make mistakes, click on Reply All, and accidentally send a message to more people than they want. This can be avoided by using the keyboard shortcut required to reply to an email. In the case of the Outlook client, pressing Control plus R works, but in case of Gmail, users will need to turn on the use of the keyboard shortcuts first. Number 6, bookmarking web page, Control plus D. Given the rise in the internet's importance, users often have to add essential web pages as bookmarks to avoid losing them in the future. Instead of clicking on the bookmark section, all a person needs to do is press Control plus D, and they will get the option to add the page as a bookmark in the desired folder collection of their choice. Number 7, selecting roles in MS Excel, Shift plus Space. Microsoft Excel is often one of the most commonly used office tabulation software due to its ease of use and convenience. It offers users the ability to select both columns and rows as a whole. To select a row, a user must click on one of the cells in the desired row. Pressing the Shift and Space buttons together selects it entirely, making it a handy keyboard shortcut to have. Number 8, switching tabs on the browser, Control plus Tab. It's a godsend keyboard shortcut for those using multiple tabs simultaneously. Instead of manually hovering over the mouse pointer and repeating the process, using a shortcut makes life a lot easier. Instead of pressing Tab, users can also combine the number of buttons to select a particular tab. Number 9, move word by word, Control plus arrow buttons. The cursor, by default, moves from one character to another in a sequential way. However, there are plenty of characters that can make it a time-intensive affair. A user can instead choose to do the same process word by word. All they need to do is hold Control button along with the arrow buttons in the direction they decide to move. Number 10, deleting entire words, Control plus Backspace. Many users aren't aware of a simple keyboard shortcut where they can remove an entire word instead of deleting separate characters. This allows them to move faster and remove errors quicker. The shortcut is quite simple as they must hold the Control button while deleting the wrong word. So guys, that's all for today's video. Share as much as you can as it really motivates us to create more content for you guys. With that, we end our video. Hope you liked the video.